when I came to Nubra 7-8 years back, it took my breath away at that time. And many years again, when I've come here in winters, it has again taken my breath away.
पूरा स्पीड लाना पड़ेगा, स्पीड बिना स्पीड के नहीं आएगा। समझ गए?
I can now plan trips for our guests with more confidence, and also give them a good experience as well, and I can always tweak it around to see what works best for what type of guests, so I think it was a good experience overall, and I would highly recommend visiting Ladakh and experiencing this magic in winters, this magical place in winters. So thumbs up once again to Ladakh for being such an incredible destination.